This revitalizing and anti-aging serum provides the highest concentrations of vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that slows the process of aging. Applied regularly, the serum gives your skin exceptional brightness and firmness. It stimulates the formation of collagen for elasticity, while restoring suppleness and giving you a more youthful appearance. Great for any time of the year. Start your day feeling restored and revitalized. You'll love your skin. Vitamin C slows down premature aging, stimulates collagen renewal for elasticity, restores brightness and firmness to the skin. Founded in Barcelona, Spain, in 1979, Natura Bisse has been a leader in innovating and developing the highest quality face and skin care products. Natura Bisse works to guarantee maximum quality, research new formulas and create the best service for their customers. Especially suited for all skin types, anti-aging Natura Bisse C Vitamin Complex Concentrate Serum, 30 ml/1 ounce. This anti-aging serum contains high content of VIT Natura Bisse. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.